something. You got something that I need.
Sounds pretty good. Cool. Yeah.
We are the Iveys, and this is our Sound on Tap.
You've got something that I want. You got something that I needed for a long time, baby. You got something. Did you know that you got something? Do you know what that something is? I'm telling you, baby, you got something. You've got something. You've got something that I need. Keep me, baby, on the corner. Bring me up to the front of the line. I've been telling you, baby, you got something. The other guys know it, but I love you more. The other guys know it, but they're nothing but oh. Listen to me, baby, you got something. You've got something. You've got something that I need. You've got something. You've got something that I need. That I need. That I need. That I need. You've got something. You've got something that I need.
Right.
Check 1 2. Testing 1 2 3.
Check.
Testing.
Somewhere in
1,
there,
2,
that
3.
sounds.
This is a family band that we love to be a part of, and we've been doing it for a long time now. And we've continued to record music and perform and tour, and that's why we love it.
Do it from Baby Don't Hold Back. Start
Oh, this is yours, though, Arlen. You should do yours. Yeah, it should
Okay.
be yours.
Growing up, we played music and we listened to music, and we've always loved music. And Jenna's always been creative, and she's written music, and I write music, and Jessica's always writing these beautiful piano pieces. But it kind of to bring it all together, we had made a conscious decision to really form or reform the Iveys, so to speak.
Yeah, we all grew up singing together, and it was a little bit of the parents forcing us to sing together, but not in a way of like,
Harmonies
you're gonna
and- yeah.
make this a thing, just in a way of try this and see if you like it. And we did, and we all just grew up singing together. And then they formed a band before Galen and I came on, because we're the younger two. But then we joined later, back in I think 2017.
Yeah.
Right around there.
Ivy's
That's true.
2.0. how
That's
they
what we
like to
call it, the improved version.
Improve. Thank you, Jen.
You're welcome. Had to add that.
Honesty is essential in any band that's going to last, I think, anyway. And you know, as siblings and with anybody else in the band, I mean, we have to be honest with each other. Hugo has to tell me, Arlen, you need to work on that guitar part.
Yeah.
You know, Jenna has to tell Hugo, oh, Hugo, you need to work on that guitar part. No, it's not.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. But
Rarely.
honesty is essential, and as siblings, you know, we are honest with each other. Maybe sometimes that's maybe sometimes bad, because like we find ourselves being more nice to Hugo in general, other than Jenna. But with each other, we're maybe a little too brutal, but we're siblings. We're not really going to walk away from this.
We're very honest with poor Arlen. Very, very honest. He'll bring something to us and he'll play it and he'll think it's great, and the rest of us will sit there and needs a little bit of work. So
Sometimes you love it right
that's
away.
true too. That's very true.
You can kind of be hurtful without meaning to, versus if it was a stranger, I think it'd be a little easier to.
But through honesty, like
But
you and I
exactly.
songwriting together,
It's
Jenna
the
and I
back and
write a lot.
forth.
It's a back and forth, and by being honest with each other, we can get to a better song,
Yeah.
which is really what we're doing. We're creating our own art through music, and by being honest, she can help me change a song to the point where we'd actually be willing to record it rather than just leave it sitting there in another stack of songs.
Yep.
You know?
I think maybe as a non-Ivy in the band, I've kind of stayed a little impartial to some things, but I still feel like I'm very welcome to give my opinion just
Yeah.
as much, because
Good.
I mean, I've been with this group of people for over a year now, and it's been awesome, and they're family to me. So
Yeah.
I'm like, you know what, Arlen, that's not a good.
That's true. He is
No.
honest too. He's
No.
he's got that in him.
Anyway,
Yeah.
There's this show actually where we had started setting up, and we were setting up all of our music and everything, and it was actually in Colorado, and we had come from Lubbock, Texas in the middle of July, you know, super hot,
Oh, yeah,
probably
up to
high
some nice weather.
90s, and we drove all the way through Oklahoma up to Colorado, and that day the high was, I think, 68 in Colorado. And we started setting up, and storm clouds roll in, and they completely rain us out.
Yeah.
And so there's a group of probably 80, 90 people at this house concert that all wanted to hear us play. And me and the guitarist at the time were just like, well, guys, like, I can't play drums. And the guitarist, he was an electric guitarist, so he couldn't play either. And so we just tell these guys, you know, go do something acoustic. And so they played for the group, and it was just a really memorable moment that we were all sopping wet. And there they are playing for this
Yeah,
group
wandering
of
around
people.
playing.
Yeah.
Just with the acoustic guitar and
Yeah.
the
two
vocals.
vocalists. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Baby, don't hold back. Put it all on my plate. Honey, let's seal the crack. Give our hearts up to fate. 'Cause we don't need an answer about who we're supposed to be. I won't change for you if you won't change for me. It's not about the days before us or the struggles in my head. It's about the home that I have found when you're beside me in my bed. It's not about the perfect chorus or $1 million ring. It's about the way you make me smile and the way you make me sing. Baby, don't hold back. Put it all on my plate. Honey, let's seal the crack. Give our hearts up to fate. 'Cause we don't need an answer about who we're supposed to be. I won't change for you if you won't change for me. It's not about the nervous flutters or the daydreams that we share. It's about the life that we have built and the hopes that we have lived. It's not about the perfect picture or a castle in the sky. It's about the promise that we made, and it's the only reason why. Baby, don't hold back. Put it all on my plate. Honey, let's seal the crack. Give our hearts up to fate. 'Cause we don't need an answer about who we're supposed to be. I won't change for give our hearts up to fate. Baby, don't hold back, put it all on my plate. Honey, let's seal the pact, give our hearts up to fate. 'Cause we don't need an answer about who it's supposed to be. I won't change for you if you won't change for me. I won't change for you if you won't change for me. Crystalline orbs on the ceiling, stories that play in your head, shadows that dance on the edge of believing, whispering that dreams are better dead. Tell me a story about when you were young. Sing to me a song of nostalgia's bitter sun. Paint me a picture with your words. Use the colors of honey, the colors of honey, the colors of honey, and the feathers of the birds that flew outside your window in the summer's morning light. You could hear their voices singing until winter brought the night. Dust-covered glass in the windows, visions of faces unclear, voices that travel whichever way the wind blows, blind to all the bones they left here. Tell me a story about when you were young. Sing to me a song of nostalgia's bitter sun. Paint me a picture with your words. Use the colors of honey, the colors of honey, the colors of honey, and the feathers of the birds. Can you hear them with their soulful songs? Do you see the starshine eyes? A million burning flames combined, destruction as it flies. Tell me a story about when you grow old. Sing to me a song of tomorrow's hope. Paint me a picture with your words. Use the colors of honey, the colors of honey, the colors of honey, and the feathers of the birds that flew outside your window in the summer's morning light. You could hear their voices singing until winter brought the night.
Once an eagle had no wings, found a magic carpet, now it flies wherever it wants to go. Keeps his eyes upon the people as they live their little lives down below. Down below. Fly, magic carpet, fly, take that eagle everywhere. If I could find my pair of wings, so it would never leave the air. Fly, magic carpet, fly, take that eagle everywhere. If I could find my pair of wings, maybe I would meet you there. Maybe I would meet you there. Maybe I would meet you there. Prisoner in a broken land, a child hopes to be a man. He looks up and sees an eagle flying without wings. Something changes him inside as he learns what it's like to be free. To be free. Fly, magic carpet, fly, take that eagle everywhere. If I could find my pair of wings, so it would never leave the air. Fly, magic carpet, fly, take that eagle everywhere. If I could find my pair of wings, maybe I would meet you there. Maybe I would meet you there. Maybe I would meet you there. High up in the air, I might meet you there. Maybe I would meet you there. Maybe I would meet you there. High up in the air, I might meet you there. Maybe I would meet you there. Fly, magic carpet, fly, take that eagle everywhere. If I could find my pair of wings, so it would never leave the air. Fly, magic carpet, fly, take that eagle everywhere. If I could find my pair of wings, so it would never leave the air. Fly, magic carpet, fly, take that eagle everywhere. If I could find my pair of wings, maybe I would meet you there. Maybe I would meet you there. Maybe I would meet you there. High up in the air, I might meet you there. Maybe I would meet you there. Maybe I would meet you there. High up in the air, I might meet you there.
During COVID, I like to see we did 3 videos. And
Full
so it's
music
recording
videos.
that, full music videos, and getting to do that to really keep our creative spirits up. We did several live streams as well. And then once Christmas came, we were able to play a few Christmas shows live around the area, and that was really great. And so it was just a matter of really diving into other creative endeavors to kind of keep that creative spirit alive within us and kind of keep us creating and enjoying the music that we have.
You do a live stream, and it's really cool. I love the technology that we have, and it's amazing that we live in a world where we can live stream, and you can reach people all over the place. So that part's cool. But you as an entertainer don't get the same response from an audience, and you can't get that same kind of emotional pull. It's difficult. That part was hard, but being able to focus, like Ann said, on the music videos and release songs that we had in the vault. I mean, we had songs that were already mixed and mastered that we just loved these songs, and we were ready to release them to the world, and we said, we're not going to stop. You know, I know a few other artists who said, that's it, I'm just going to stop and not release anything. We said, well, we have this music here. Today is today. Let's release these songs. But we tied them in with music videos that Galen directed and filmed, and Jenna helped write. I mean, this is what their degrees are in, and so they put together these awesome videos and with hardly anybody in them except the band and family. I mean,
and the family animals.
And the family animals to try to keep the videos, so we didn't have to bring in a lot of outside help to finish those videos. But it was the videos turned out great. I mean, they were a lot of fun too.
Yeah.
So
We always kind of help each other at least to finish a song, but some songs are more complete when we bring them to each other, and other ones are kind of less complete. Or so sometimes like the percentage kind of switches, but we basically just kind of throw it into a pot and mix it up and then make something
sometimes
better.
it's like a jumbled, messy stew.
Yeah.
I'm like, here, Jen, here, fix that.
And then sometimes it's surprising. There's a song that we've been working on, and he had a bit of it, but he's like, I just can't finish it. I don't know. And he sang it for me, and it shocked me because we hadn't been talking about this at all, but it sounded like it would fit as the first verse to a song I was working on. So then I was able to be like, okay, well, listen to this because I've been working on this, and they sound like the same song. And we just put them together, and we just pieced it together and then kept working on it.
That's one of my favorite things. Jenna will bring me a song that's basically, she has lyrics on paper, and she's not recorded this song anywhere. I'm like, but it's just lyrics on paper. Where's the melody? Let me sing it to you. And she sings me the melody, and I just pull out my guitar and go, okay, she's about in that key, and all right, there we go. I mean, that's how we wrote Baby Don't Hold Back. I mean, she brought that to me, just kind of sang it to me a cappella, and then we just put the whole song together and built it with the rest of the band, I mean, thank God we have this group of musicians around it to make things happen. So that part's fun, finally getting a song complete, right?
Yeah.
It's fun with the first spark, and then it's fun when it's done. That's kind of how I look at it. The whole process of getting it there, there's some energy there, and there's a process, but there's a lot of work too.
Yep.
When tomorrow's gone and you've only got today, and the world is fading and you don't know how to pray, so you put your hands together, look up to the sky, and you pour your heart out. You wish you could go back in time and change the mistakes you made, or do it better, but you're only human, so you fall onto your knees and you cry. And you cry.